2003 Ford Ranger. Everybody's got these disassembly photos or videos. Everybody's got videos. They tell you, you got to take this and that off. You got to take this and that off. Before you take out that whole control panel and the metal panel behind it, this is what you're looking for. And it is right here. So, to find it, put your fist by the gas pedal. Go straight, take your finger, point up. It is right there. So on the top, there is going to be a blue relay. That thing. And that's where you pull it out of. Nobody ever says anything about black tape on the box. There is black tape on the box. The box sits like this, up underneath there. You need to push this tab and that tab at the same time. So trying to get your hand in there to push both tabs at the same time is a mofo. Anyway, as soon as you get the bottom tab off, when you're pulling it like that, get up here and feel for tape. See that adhesive right there? Pull that goddamn tape off and the box will come off easier. Then you can hit the release on the top. Enough said. Nobody ever mentions the tape. Nobody ever mentions how easy it is to find it. You don't need to take all this off. You don't need to take it all off. Once again, you come in here on the side, put your fist in front of the gas pedal, take your finger and point straight up. It's right there.